Hey everyone, it's Jana Verbakel Leach
and Susie Beasley Kim,
realtors in London, Ontario. It's no accident that we're starting the tour for this beautiful home in the kitchen. It's fully loaded with built-in appliances like a beverage fridge and a 5-burner gas stove. Personally, I love to cook and I love this kitchen.
What I love about this home is that everything you need is conveniently on one level, including the laundry and lots of extra storage. And if you need more space, there's a finished lower level.
So enjoy the tour and let us know what you think. If you'd like to arrange your own private tour, you can feel free to reach out to us with the information you'll find at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.